Hello everyone! Did you know there is an incredible feature called keep duplicates in Power Query? But what if you want to preserve unique rows? Unfortunately, there is no option for that directly. But let me show you and explain how you can easily retain duplicates row and equally important, keep unique rows using Power Query. It's really easy. Just navigate to Data tab and choose from Table or Range, or right click on your table and get data from Table or Range. Or even you can easily use shortcuts Alt A P T, and in Power Query Editor, if you want to zoom in, you can use Ctrl Shift Plus, and then click on this little table on the left corner and choose Keep Duplicates. Yes, that's it. Finish. You have your duplicates, but what if you wanna have just unique rows? It's really simple, and you just need to replace this greater than sign with equal sign. Yes, that's it. Finish. You have your unique rows. Amazing. I really love this trick. Give it a try and let me know what do you think about it. Bye.